Hi again, everyone. This week, I spent a lot of my time writing a proposal for a new study. I actually really enjoy that part of my job because it makes me think about what it is that I don't know about teaching and learning and what I can do to find out. So one question that I'm really interested in right now is how to combine individual and collaborative learning activities. For example, the explanation activities that I talked about in the past videos, where students are prompted to explain how visuals show information, those work very well as collaborative activities, as you also saw in some of my past videos. And that is because students may have different views on what a visual shows or how to use the visuals to solve problems. But I actually have not yet tested whether those explanation activities are more effective if students work on them collaboratively compared to if students work on them individually. On the other hand, the intuitive activities, where students are exposed to many different visuals and asked to categorize them to build up their quick thinking skills, as you saw in some of my past videos, those intuitive activities, I would suppose, would work best if they're done individually. And that is because if students worked on them collaboratively, they might start discussing them. And while that's very good for learning to explain visuals, that is not the point of the intuitive activities. Also, discussing them might take away time from seeing many examples, which is what these intuitive activities are actually for. On the other hand, if students start pointing at characteristic visual features, perhaps that would actually allow them to help each other process the visuals more efficiently, and that could improve the effectiveness of the intuitive activities. So, for the intuitive activities, my first guess is that they should be done individually, but even there I can't be certain until I compare if students actually learn more if they do them individually or collaboratively. So that's an experiment that I really would like to do. And then once I know which activities should be done individually and which should be done collaboratively, I would also know how best to integrate them into courses using a flipped class method, for example. So suppose I find that the intuitive activities should be done alone, then we could assign those as homework. And if the explanation activities should be done collaboratively, we can do them in class. So that way, I'll be able to combine my research on flipped classrooms with my research on the explanation activities and the intuition activities. That's just one question that's on my mind right now. As you can imagine, I have many more, and I'll talk some more about those in the next video.